Heavenologist Kitchen here, and I would like to share what I like to do at the end of each year once the plants that grow just once a year die. You have this nice soil, you want to loosen it up some, but then you look around and there's some plants that you bought at Lowe's or Home Depot or Walmart that just did really well. Okay, now what you can do is, if it's been really healthy, go ahead and take the stems that fell when you were trying to rinse it throughout the summer and soak it in water, or just put it right in the dirt. Now if you put it right in the dirt, the rule is you have to keep it really moist so the roots will grow. See how there's already roots opening up? Stick it in there and then it's gonna grow over winter. Now I even take the ones that look like they won't do nothing. Why? Because of the pH balance that it already has in it. It's going to help the plants. And even if you just lay it down like that, that's going to help it. You can even do that with the watering juice. Let's pick up the plant there. See, we all need to be lifted up from time to time. Hey! You see them right there? Anyway, getting back to this video. We'll do more of those videos later on, okay? But, watering Jew. The plant was doing great, so I decided to go ahead and replant it